Jared Simpson here with MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard a 2025 MJM 42. This boat's built at MJM in North Carolina, Downeast style, designed by Doug Zorn. We also have it in our classic flag color. This boat's available in two configurations as far as power goes. This boat here is a pair of Volvo Penta D6 IPS 440 horsepower. And you can also get this boat in a pair of twin Mercury 600 horsepower V12 outboards if you'd like additional speed and lower draft. So moving forward here, you can see the salon opens right up into the cockpit where you can seat at least 10 people. Huge windows on either side. And as you move into the salon area, you'll see the high gloss finishes throughout. Over here you have your full galley on the deck, so you have refrigeration, microwave. You also have a cooktop and a sink. Plenty of power outlets throughout. And up here at the helm, huge Edson wheel, which is signature for MJM. This whole entire area is obviously climate controlled as well. 16-inch Garmin MFDs, your Volvo joystick system with DPS, so we can hold the boat in place if need be. Bow thruster, your Volvo display, all your controls right here at the helm. Moving down below, you'll notice the high gloss wood floors and the teak cabinetry throughout. And this boat's designed to sleep 5 people. Hull side windows, so you have some natural light coming through. A huge head compartment with a separate stall shower. You also have a television here on the wall and a small mid cabin underneath for sleeping or for extra storage. If you're looking for a boat to travel anywhere you'd like to go, this is definitely the boat as far as ride quality goes, durability, efficiency. There's nothing better than an MJM. If you'd like additional information, please reach out to me, 781-727-0629.